Hey everyone, Josh here from Fresh Start Customs, and today we're going to be reviewing the handheld vacuum cleaner. You guys requested this on my mini shop vac cleaner review for removing all the small parts on the crumb tray. With your guys' help in the affiliate links that I had on that mini shop vac, I finally saved up enough to get this handheld one here. So I'm going to show you how well this works. And what I like about it and what I don't like about it, and then we'll go from there. As you can see, I'm printing off a lot of these little robot phone stands here where you can just put your phone in there and put like different emoji faces. So what we're going to be doing, this has a lot of like little tabs that leave inside the crumb tray, so we're going to be using that and sucking up the leftover parts in the crumb tray. So let's talk about this for a minute before we get to that. As you can see, it comes with this little attachment here. I'll pull it out. This I don't really use on the crumb tray. I mean, it limits the amount that goes in, basically because it makes it a smaller size. But all in that said, your size is still pretty limited. It's pretty small. It's about the width of my thumbnail on there. So you're going to be getting probably parts that are as big as what you're going to be seeing in the video today and not much bigger than that. But that's okay, because on the crumb tray, if it's bigger than that, you can really pick that up by hand pretty easily. So this thing I like because you can pick up all the small parts quickly, and that's kind of why I got it in the first place. The thing I don't really like is, obviously, if it's about the size of a quarter, you're not going to be able to pick it up with this because it's just not going to go on the tube. And it seems like it dies kind of quickly, but I mean, there's a lot of power being generated in this, so it's kind of expected. You'll definitely be able to clean out your crumb tray for sure. You'll even be able to do like a full Glowforge cleaning on it, but you're going to want to put this thing right back on the charger afterwards. There's just a little charging port right on the back here, and it does come with like a little docking station. I'm not going to show it. It's just a piece of plastic that you hang on the wall like this. So all in all said, as long as you leave this thing charged, I'm pretty impressed with it. It does have enough power to pick up those small pieces, but if you're wanting it for larger pieces, I would probably do that mini shop vac that I showed in the other video. So let's go ahead and jump over to the Glowforge where I cut out this phone stand here and left all the parts inside, and then I'll catch you guys back here afterwards. Alright you guys, so there you guys have it. That is the mini handheld shop vac here. This one doesn't have to be plugged into the wall. It runs all off a battery. I'm pretty impressed with the amount of power of just being able to pull those small pieces out. I was a little nervous that it wasn't going to work, but all in all said, I'm glad that I got it. This is a lot easier than plugging in that other version there that you actually have to plug into the wall. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this helped you decide on which one you wanted to go with. If you do want to support the channel, I'll go ahead and put another affiliate link below for this one here as well. And then I've got another tool in the future planned. Hopefully I can save up enough of that to get another tool here. I'm not going to say it quite yet. If you want to subscribe and follow along, check that out later. We'll catch you guys in the next video.